Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another wig tutorial from Luvmehair. Today I will be showing you their Premax Super Natural Hairline Silky Straight Glueless 13x4 lace front wig. This particular wig comes with pre-bleached invisible knots. It has a pre-plucked realistic hairline. It also comes with a pre-cut wavy HD lace. I have this wig in 20 inches and in 150% density. This wig was super easy to install. The wig cap itself was giving scalp, and of course the fact that she's glueless makes everything better. So I'm going to give you guys a quick unboxing to show you everything that came along with the wig unit in itself. Luvmehair loves to send a lot of gifts along with their wig units, so it's definitely fun to unbox their wigs. So here is the wig here. Once again, it is their Premax Super Natural Hairline Silky Straight Glueless 13x4 lace front wig. Again, those knots you do not have to worry about. It comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and the lace is pre-cut as well. And keep in mind, this is a 13x4, so she's ear to ear, but she only goes 4 inches back, okay? The wig cap in itself has the 4 different combs and of course the elastic band. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and add some foundation onto this lace. Regardless if she's pre-bleached or not, or invisible knots, we still wanna make sure that the lace color matches our skin color as much as possible. So that is the reason for the foundation. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and throw the wig on. Now this hair is 100% human hair. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier. And also while I was doing the unboxing, you guys saw me running my fingers through the hair just to show you that she did not have any crazy shedding straight out the box, okay? So as you guys can see, that hairline, at least in my personal opinion, does look very natural. I will give them that. Now as far as where the hairline lies on me, it's a little weird. It stops right before my ears, and you guys know I have thick and long sideburns, so we're definitely gonna have to finesse it so that we can hide that. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is just get all of the hair away from the lace. That way I can see what she is truly looking like and give you guys a close-up as well. Okay, so here is a close-up of that hairline, you guys. She actually does look really good. Now, I don't know about you guys, but Luvmehair wig caps tend to be a little bit big on me, so I will need to add a little bit of melting spray just to keep her still because the wig cap was a little loose. And also the pre-cut lace was stopping like right before where my natural hairline stopped, so I had to move the wig up a little bit more than usual. And you guys will see that the melting spray is also going to help those little flaps of lace that is sticking up. That way it's not too noticeable. So I'm only going to go in with a little bit of product because that's all that I need. I'm just going to dab it right at the edges of that lace, and I'm going to press it into my skin. And really quick, as you guys are watching me do this, I do just want to let you guys know that they are marketing this wig to be 100% glueless, and I can see why. That hairline will lay at a perfect spot depending on how the wig cap fits on you. So I feel like this really just depends on how the wig looks on you specifically. As you guys can see, all I had to do was add just a little bit of product. I didn't have to go crazy. She's still 100% glueless. You guys know I do not use glue regardless, but I used a little bit of spray just to help with my situation. That doesn't mean that you have to. I strongly encourage you guys to check out their Instagram page because there have been some girls who were able to install this wig with no spray, no glue whatsoever. The wig cap fit on them perfectly, and they had a full-on 13x4 lace front wig without any product. So it is possible. It just all depends on how the wig looks on you. That's something that I stress to you guys all the time, okay? So just keep that in mind. So this is what that hairline is looking like now. That melt is absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and let her do her thing underneath my elastic band. I left that on for about like 10 to 15 minutes or so. Then when I took the elastic band off, I realized the color was off just a little bit. So I am going to add a little bit more foundation right at the edge there. It wasn't 100% perfect, but she was definitely close. The HD lace definitely helped with that, and the pre-plucked hairline helped with that as well to make my job a whole lot easier. So now I'm just adding a lighter foundation in the middle part. You guys know I like to do this to help mimic my scalp. Your scalp is a lot lighter than your natural skin tone. Okay, and as always, I'm gonna give you guys some more close-ups. She's looking really, really, really good. I will say the hairline does look natural. The melt was really good as well. I give it all to that HD and the fact that the lace was so thin. Now remember, they are marketing this as a Premax parting max wig, which means anywhere that you part on the lace, it's supposed to give scalp, and I will say they did their thing with that one as well. The lace was super thin enough in order for it to look extremely natural wherever you part it on the lace, okay? So we are going to stick with the middle part for obvious reasons, mostly because of where that lace ends, especially by my ear. So I am going to use my wax stick and my hot comb just to secure the wig in place and make sure the top of the wig is laying as flat as possible. I also want you guys to pay attention to how the lace is looking as I am parting it in different sections. Once again, she is giving scalp. Okay, one side is finished. Take a look at the difference, you guys. That's why I like to do that method. I really just like to make sure that my wigs are laying a certain way. That way it looks extremely natural. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. So now that we are done with flattening the wig, I'm gonna go ahead and straighten a couple of pieces. This is a silky straight texture and she is 150% density, you guys. So she is a little bit more on the thinner side, especially because she is so silky straight. So please do not overpower this wig with a lot of product. She does not need it. She has a very natural shine to her. It's very silky, it's very flowy. This is one of those wigs where less is more, and it's the perfect everyday beginner wig, okay? So just wanted to let you guys know, but she took to the heat extremely well. I didn't have excessive tangling nor excessive shedding, and I do feel like the hair was thick all the way from the lace down to the tip, so I have no complaints. And just like I tell you guys in every single video, Luvme Hair produces game changer on effortless wig installations. All of their wigs come with uncompromising quality, they are ready to go, and they are at a really good price. Even while I was filming this tutorial, the entire install took me about 40 minutes, and it probably would have taken me even less than that if I wasn't filming. So she was super quick, super easy. Luvme Hair believes in switching it up is everything, so that is part of the reason why they make their wigs so easy and quick to install. Make sure you guys check out my description box down below. Everything will be listed there. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you learned something today, and I will see you guys next time.